Hello again, here we go with another exercise. As you can see here, we have two circles, we have these tangent lines, and we have this slot. So let's start here. The best starting point will be the center of this circle. So as you can see, this diameter is 28 and this diameter is 40. Let's start with a circle. And this should be 28. Now drag this and then zoom to fit. Now offset, and this time select 6 and select this circle. Then make sure add dimensions is selected, then hit OK. Now the offset value is 6 because this is 28. You will have 6 millimeters here and 6 millimeters here. The total will be 12 in addition to the 28, then we will end up with 40. This is critical and many people make mistake with this offset thing. So all the time it's half the diameter difference. Now let's sketch this. As you can see, the distance here is 55 and the radius, the diameter is 7. So sketch a circle and set these to be vertical. This distance should be 55 divided by 2 and this diameter is 7. Then we have another circle here, or part of a circle, which is 7.5 in radius. So draw another circle and set the diameter to 15. Now, as you can see, we have two tangent lines here. Now select a line and start from the circle. Move the mouse until you get the tangent line here. Now we have tangency here and we have tangency here, and that's it. Then we have a straight line. Select a line and from the quadrant point here go all the way down until you get vertical. Now sketch two center lines, one in this direction and the other one in this direction. Now mirror this line and this line about this line and do the necessary trims. Like here, we won't use this and this. Now mirror entities again, and this time select these, and all should be mirrored about this line. Now as you can see, we have a slot here, a straight slot. So this distance is 32.5 and this distance is 15. Select straight slot, move the mouse here and then move it this way until you got the horizontal relation, then draw your slot. This way you set the horizontal relation here, so there's no need to define it again. Now this distance is 32.5 and this is 5.5 and this is 15. Let's double check this. Since this is 11, so this should be the radius 5.5 and this is 15 and 32.5. Now we have this as 18. So 18 minus 11, this will give us 7. 7 divided by 2, this is the value of the offset. So this should be 3.5 and offset this. SolidWorks treats this slot as 1 unit. So in the end, you may need to delete this and delete these. Then pick a line. And this part is critical because if you move this way, you will have a horizontal line. But if you proceed here, you will have another relation, and this line will no longer be horizontal. So what I suggest here is that extend it somewhere here and make sure it's horizontal. Then do it again here until it's horizontal. Now just trim these. And now everything is fine. I will show you what will happen if you don't do this. Like for now, check the distance between these, and since they are parallel, we have this distance. But if I delete this and move the mouse and move until you get this, now it should give us an angle dimension. Yeah. That means these lines are not parallel to each other, so this one is a mistake. Now let's check some dimensions. Let's check the big circle here, which is 40, and that's correct. And we already did it here, which is 18. That's it for this practice. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next exercise.